To online digital marketing. In the today's video, I am going to show how to write the post. See here, I have already written the post in on my website. So I am going to show how to write this post. So after logging the dashboard, click on post on the left side, all post. See here, I have already written this post. So I want to write one more post here. Click on add new. After clicking the add new, the same interface will open like we have seen in page when we created the page. Same interface face will open. So here we need to write the title of the post. So to save the time, I will copy some content from other website, but whenever you are writing any post, don't copy because it is unethical. So I'm copying the title from here and I'm pasting. After that, I will copy some text from here and I will paste here. And if you want the image below this, so just click on enter, click here on add block, click on image, click on upload, then click on already have saved some picture on my desktop. So I will go to my desktop and upload that image. See here, image has been uploaded. So after that, if you want to write some more text, then copy from here. I'm copying from here and click on plus, click on paragraph, paste here. And if you want to paste some featured image here, featured image is nothing but it's a clickable image. Whenever you click that image, complete post will open. So go to the documents, click on featured image, click on set featured image, click on, if you want to upload any file, click on select file, go to the desktop. As I said, you already have saved some images. Click on here, then see this is the images I have already saved. This is the image I have just now uploaded. Click on set featured image. See, featured image has came. And I want to show one more thing. Suppose if you want to change this text into the center position, you can change to center position like this. And if you want to change this text to the right, you can click here right. I am keeping on left only. And I want to show one more thing. Suppose whenever your post is open, is visible, and you don't want to show the complete post, if you want to show only 2 lines, then do one thing, just copy 2 lines from here, and before to the in documents, before the featured image, here accept option is there, just click on here, just paste here. And as I said you before also, if you want to publish immediately, you can publish, and if you want to publish in future date like tomorrow, you can click here and you can set the date. If you want to set the timing also, you can set it from here. If you don't want, if you want to publish now itself, then click on publish. Then our post will be published. If you want to see the post, just you can go from here, or else you can go back. Just visit site. See, just now we have created this post. See, here only two lines are showing. If we click to the image, or if we click to the this text, the complete post will open. Suppose if I am clicking here, the complete post will open. See here. So that's it guys. In the next video I am going to show how to give the comments. See here, if someone wants to give the comments, how can they give the comments, and how can we can approve that comments in our website. I'm going to show that. That's it guys. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share. Thank you.